What's up everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to decrease data usage on Windows. This will work perfectly fine on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work in the future Windows 12 if it comes out. If you notice that Windows is actually taking a lot of data when you are using your phone as a hotspot, in this video I'm going to make it everything simple. So first things first, what you have to do is to go to your Wi-Fi icon. As you can see, I'm using my phone as a hotspot. Click on the properties icon, and all you have to do here is to turn on metered connection. So this will make Windows to understand that you are not on unlimited Wi-Fi. You can also do this if you're on wired network or Wi-Fi. You can do it if you are on wired or Wi-Fi. So what if you are using your phone internet connection via cable and not Wi-Fi? As I said earlier, you can also do this if you are using wired connection. Same method. You have to go to your taskbar, double click on network and internet. Now go to Ethernet. As you can see here, connected network 3. Same thing, turn on metered connection. That's how you do it. The next thing you have to do is to go to services. Now look for Windows Update. Click on Stop. Select Disable. Click on Apply and OK. So this is pretty much all you have to do. Make sure you come back to the services to also check if it is disabled. But that'll be all for this video. If this video works for you, let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next one. Signing off.